2018 Nissan Altima. No start condition. Key. Car doesn't really respond to the key. Open the door. Oh, there you go. That's the one. It's the iKey system fault. Car won't start even if you use the key. Also found out that none of the lights work. It's trying to use them, but it never uses them. Trunk button doesn't work. Locks don't work. Nothing really seems to work. Yeah, so completely unresponsive. Can't use a scan tool to pull codes because the ignition switch won't turn on. So first thing I did was look for a wiring diagram. Found that the body control module controls pretty much all of the stuff that isn't working. So I'm assuming dead BCM. So want to come up here and check all the fuses. Should be hot at all times. Well, the first one I checked was the fusible link. Well, first one I wanted to check. So I came over here to the battery to hook up my power probe. And the first thing you'll notice, not in too good of condition, but I got battery, not very good battery, but it's enough of a battery. But if you look really closely, that fuse is blown, and that's a ground instead of a power. That's power. Let me turn on the so their fusible links blew, and now it's just a matter of figuring out why. But yeah, figured that might be some helpful information when you're having a problem like that. Obviously your car's not starting in it, that's an issue. Don't forget to check the basics. Have a good one.